In its first month of invasion in Ukraine, Russia had its armored columns run into lethally effective ambushes in the woods and suburbs around Kyiv by Ukrainian infantry equipped with portable anti-tank weapons. The Ukrainian armed forces would now need more tanks and mobile artillery to strike targets without exposing personnel on foot to Russia's massive firepower. Therefore, the PzH 2000s can certainly help Ukraine to mount an effective counteroffensive against Russian forces in its Donbas region. Laser-hardened barrel. The PzH 2000 is a 155mm closed-type gun on a crawler chassis, built based on components and units of the Leopard 2 tank. The 12-meter-long vehicle is powered by the 986-horsepower MTU 881 diesel engine that can provide a speed of 41 miles per hour. Its main armament is a long-barrel rifle 52-caliber 155mm gun which is loaded with shells by an ornate auto-loading system that involves the human loader only needing to insert appropriate strength changes before firing, although the gun can be completed manually loaded if the auto-loader malfunctions. A total of 60 shells can be stored, typically including smoke and illumination rounds as well as high explosives. The barrel of the gun is laser-hardened and lined with chromium which provided substantial heat tolerance, thus allowing high rates of fire that could otherwise rapidly overheat the barrel, requiring lengthy cool-downs. Maximum range of 22 miles. The PzH 2000 can rapidly fire 3 shells in just 9 seconds, tolerate around 20 rounds in 2 minutes, or maintain 8 rounds per minute long-term. The maximum range of the PzH 2000 is 22 miles for ordinary DM-121 shells, which can be increased to 29 miles using more expensive base bleed shells and 35 to 42 miles using DM-702A1 rocket-assisted projectiles. The PzH 2000 has a welded steel armor thick enough to repel 152mm artillery fragments and 14.5mm machine gun rounds used by Russian armored personnel carriers. The crew can also optionally fit on-top armor to protect against mortars and cluster submunitions. Also, the ammunition is stored in separate compartments from the crew to enhance the chances of survival if the vehicle is penetrated. Plus, there are blast vents in the ceiling to allow some of the explosive pressure of a penetrating blast to leak out the vehicle. Major shift in policy. The Netherlands also acquired 39 factory-fresh PzH 2000s, of which only 18 to 24 remain active in the Royal Netherlands Army's 41st Artillery Battalion. So, the Netherlands could theoretically send 15 to 21 PzH 2000s to Ukraine, roughly enough to form 1 artillery battalion or 2 to 3 batteries. The NATO states were hesitant to send such heavy weapons, fearing they could prove too provocative for Russia. However, by mid-April, as the shift in Russian operations to the East Ukraine front became more apparent, so did the need for evolution of the arms supply to cater for the changing operational realities.